to the Chevalier Island in the Bay of Fethiye to check out a one-of-a-kind, beautiful 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms of a designer Mediterranean villa. In my opinion, this might very well be one of the best homes that $1.3 million can buy.
I wanted to start the video right around this time of the day because this is the golden hour and this is when the island and the home truly reveals itself. This island is a special one. It is one of 12 islands located in the Bay of Fethiye and it is the only one that is inhabited. There are about 70 homes on the island, all enjoying outstanding views towards the sea. And the name Chevalier comes from the French word chevalier, which means knight in English, because the island was a stronghold of the Knights of Rhodes up until the 15th century. And all around the island there are historic remnants, remnants of the castle walls or some mosaics. It is actually a very, very rough island. There are no cars, no roads, so it is far away from mass tourism. You know, you can sail with your canoe or take your boat into exploring amazing islands in the Bay of Fethiye. So in that sense, this is a true sailor's paradise. If you're a keen sailor, this island is definitely for you. And this home is your fortress. I mean, look at the way it's built. You have a private access to a beach. And the jetty is right down here, and through the staircase you go up and at each level a garden appears. The land has been remarkably terraced down for smaller gardens, and at every level the view gets even better. Now moving up to my right side, there is a beautiful garden dedicated for recreational purposes. Right here you have your beautiful private sun tanning area, and this is where you can have your barbecues, and this is exactly a great place if you want to install a pool. The builders of the house did not install one, but you know, if you want to have one, it would give you that infinity edge view that you're looking for, which is actually a great spot. And if you're buying this house, I think you should definitely install a beautiful pool here. And right to my right side, we are seeing another beautiful sitting area, another terrace with an amazing view again.
Now in the back garden, we're seeing what is allegedly the remnants of the medieval times. These structures have been taken under protection by the builders, and that gives the house an antique touch. I mean, building a house like this on an island that is protected by the Heritage Department is no easy feat. In addition to architectural finesse, it requires a specific building experience and a lot of paperwork.
And now, it is the time that we go inside and check the interior design.
It's designed by a top architect in Turkey who has done a remarkable job, especially when it comes to the ambient lighting. Now the house is made up of 3 floors, and we're starting with the ground floor where an open plan kitchen and a living room greets us.
Now this is the ground floor, the living room area, and to my right side is a beautiful sitting area with a beautiful projection to the outside. Amazing breeze is coming out, and also towards this side we have a beautiful table looking out to the most beautiful views of the Mediterranean. I mean, here's the thing, you wouldn't really have those dinners indoors. People usually go outdoors, but having a beautiful space dedicated for eating here is also a very good plus. And take a look at this beautiful ceiling. It is compressed wood, and you're seeing an amazing ambient lighting, and all around the house the ambient lighting is perfect. One example is the kitchen right here. Take a look at this beautiful wraparound kitchen. I mean, all the materials here are top class. Whatever you touch, you know, you are feeling that luxury, that design. Look at how everything is proportionately put together. Everything you touch is either a natural stone or wood or the natural plaster like this.
There's an amazing attention to detail here, starting from the decorative materials, the ceilings, down to the light switches.
I mean, how cool is that? Who does that in the industry? I mean, everything here is thought after, and I love that. Look at the staircase. This is beautiful. The ambient lighting inside makes everything perfect, and on the stairs, marble have been used, and all the walls, you have the natural plaster. Going up, you have the natural light coming from over there.
Now this is the first floor, and at each floor there are 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. This is the first one on the first floor with a king-size bed.
But I don't want to lose the light right now, so I just want to show you the money punch right away. Come in here as I am passing through.
To my right side is the master bathroom with an elegant design, and right after that is the dressing area, decorated with materials matching with the overall feeling of the house. Moving forward is the bedroom area, located in a very spacious room, but look at this outstanding view. The bed is positioned in a way to maximize the sea view. And just like all around the house, the utilities have been positioned perfectly with a unique style.
Now let's go upstairs, that I want to show you the master bedroom.
Upstairs again, and this floor is home to 2 bedrooms. Both rooms are double-sized.
Now behind this door there is a spectacular master bedroom that I want you to see. Come now.
And boom! Guys, look at this. The bed is again positioned facing the sea with large floor-to-ceiling windows maximizing the outside view. The art of ambient lighting shines out over the bed. To the other side is this standalone bathtub. Oh my god, look at this. Decorations on the wall, and the bathroom is right behind that. I mean, seriously, this architect has created wonders in this room.
I mean, what's the value of this? Seeing the sun like that going down on a beautiful bay with this beautiful breeze? Look, the view out here is crazy. Come here, your entire estate is down there. You're looking at your private beach, your private jetty, and when you move your head up a little bit, you're seeing the beautiful sun over there setting, and this is just priceless. I think this is the real luxury. I don't think luxury is, you know, those expensive materials in fancy homes, you know, fast cars and etc. I mean, I think the true luxury is being able to enjoy what you really, really have. And that right there, if you can enjoy that, I mean, filming this house has been a true experience for me. I mean, I quite like it. So if you also like the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel, as I always do videos like this. And if you're interested in buying this home, go down to the link at the description box below to inquire for it. And until next episode,